Hi folks, Terry Brown here. Thanks so much for taking a few moments of your time to check out this video today. You know, Shakespeare says that it's not in the stars to hold our destiny, but it's in ourselves. Well, I've got this incredible system I want to share with you. I call it a little big system. Why? Because it's very low cost, but this system does, great big things. Okay, it is an online marketing tool suite, and it's called, as you can see, Buildabizonline. Okay, and I just love this program. I've been using this system for a while, and I've mentioned it a couple of times. I've added some a link to some of my other stuff that I was doing, but this system, I believe, is so incredible that more and more people need to know about it. If you're building any business online, then this is something that you at least ought to take a look at and see what and if this system can do anything for you. Okay, so let's look at this together real quick. We're not going to be long. It says built to promote your business online. Okay, brought to you by yours truly, Terry Brown, a proud member of Buildabizonline. Now, to build your existing business online, you've not only got to have the right tools and an effective method to advertise your business, you've got to be able to build a list of people who need your product or service. Okay, mail that list to encourage them to buy or join your program. Track the emails you send out to see if they're being opened. Advertise using several different tried and tested methods. Okay, stand out from the crowd by building unique splash pages. Provide newbies to online marketing with effective training. At Buildabizonline, you can do all that and more. Okay, so if you're struggling to build a business online, or simply tired of building someone else's business, then join Buildabizonline. Okay, and let me see, I've got some notes that I just want to share. Real quick. We've got unlimited splash and squeeze pages, a URL shortener tracking, pro autoresponder, unlimited opt-ins. My goodness. Okay, banner maker, multiple sizes, showcase, 20 personal programs page, 10 personal banner page. Now, I will say this is low cost, $10 per month. Okay, and here's the deal: you bring some other people in. Okay, every time somebody that you bring in spends $10, then you're making $6 on that. Not bad. You can build a good advertising budget with this program. Just share this program. Why? Because people need this system. They need Buildabizonline. Okay, so there you have it. So I'm going to leave the link if you want to take a look. If you want to get started, don't hesitate to do that. Also, it might be a couple of bonus links there as well to share some other things with you. We're all about building business. We're all about helping other people. We're all about making money. Okay, we're all about being as helpful as we positively can. So there you have it. I'm Terry Brown. Be sure to grab those links or the link and hope to see you on the inside. You be blessed. Bye-bye now.